Hello everyone, Yamaha YZF R9 2025, middle-class sports road bike from Yamaha, which is said to be developed based on the MT9, is a motor that has been rumored for years, until many people get bored or stop waiting. But now we have received informal information from 10K Racing, a Wes's class tuning fork racing team, that the racing motorbike we have been waiting for is being tested and will replace the YZF R6 next year. What's the latest info? Let's discuss it. Griffin Bose, Yamaha 10K Racing team manager, provided information about the CP3 sports motorbike by saying the details are still unclear at this time, but we have information about the racing motorbike. He said racing motorbikes are under intensive development. The only thing I can say is that this coming season will be the last year of the R6 before it is replaced by the Rhine. But at this time, I don't have any information regarding the vehicles that will be on that road. I think the reason we don't have that information is because they're pushing it so hard. So the actual sales model will be ready next year or the following year. Griffin Bose also added that currently the YZF R9 is being tested in Misano, Italy. Since 2022, the Supersport class has been revolutionized by new regulations that allow larger capacity motorbikes, such as the previously mentioned Panigale V2 to race. Others taking advantage of the new regulations include the Triumph Street RR 765 and MV Augusta F3 800. The Yamaha R9 will also take advantage of the new regulations, but will be the most extreme example, featuring an 890C cross-plane 3-cylinder engine to compete with the conventional 765cc C3 cylinder. Apart from that, it competes with the remains of the 600cc 4-cylinder motorbike and the 3-cylinder F3 800 with a capacity of 798cc and the 955cc panel twin. So that's our review for today. See you in the next video.